This is my review for the Alexa Echo Dot with clock. I really like this one because it's a speaker. It's Alexa. It's a speaker. It has the digital clock there, of course. You can mute it. So I have it mute right now. So if I say, Alexa, what time is it? So you can ask it, whatever you want to ask it. You can tell it to play music. You can tell it to play the news. There's has skills. Let me mute it here so it doesn't hear me talking. So it has lots of skills and things. When you download the Alexa app, you can check those out and then decide, which ones you would want it to use, which is really cool. So, and again, I like has this little light on the bottom, changes color. When you talk to Alexa, this goes blue. So, Alexa, what time is it? So it does that. You can also change the voice. Mine has like the female British voice. You can put English, different accents and things. So it has lots and lots of features you can play with. It needs to be plugged in to work. If you unplug it, it will not work, of course. And as a speaker, it's really really cool. Like the sound is really good. I have it low, but you can put it. You can change the volume here. Just hold. As you can see, it goes up on the bottom. So so it does go to 10, and it's loud. Like it looks small, but it is a strong speaker. So definitely check it out if you're looking for something. I like it. It's like a little personal assistant. Tell me the weather, the news, and different information. So it's great. I really love it. I have nothing but good things to say about Alexa. So hope you enjoy it and check it out.